Drums, yukatas, traditional Japanese dances. These are the sights and sounds that signify Bon Odori, a traditional Japanese folk dance. The Bon Odori celebration is a Japanese Buddhist custom held during mid-year to welcome the ancestral spirits when they are believed to journey from heaven to visit the earthly realm. In Japan, the festival is celebrated as a popular get-together summer event held in every district of every city.
Of course, every summer there's a Bon Odori in Japan, so I take them wearing yukata like this.
Yuko Tohi is a mother to twin boys. She has been living in Malaysia for 6 months and liking it here.
Oh yeah, people are very kind and weather is nice, but very hot. But I like Malaysia.
Malaysians and Japanese living here have been celebrating Bon Odori for over 3 decades in Malaysia.
Well, this is my second time to participate in the Bon Odori. It's been quite impressive to welcome 36th anniversary of this Bon Odori.
Actually, I came here 2 times before.
We are interesting about this Bon Odori, and we are also learning Japanese language, so we are here for fun.
Just have some experience in how the Japanese their parties, some call like a party like that. So we just enjoy, try to know how was their culture and everything.
Masato Nakamura, the organizing chairman of the 2012 Bon Odori Dance Festival, says the celebration is a great opportunity for cultural exchange between people from the 2 nations.
For the past 35 years, this Bon Odori Festival has been providing some opportunities for Malaysians to experience Japanese culture. This Bon Odori Festival has now become a tradition here in Malaysia, and I hope it will continue to provide platform for cultural exchange between Malaysia and Japan in the future.
The highlight of the Bon Odori was definitely the group dance surrounding Yakura, or a special platform. Dancers on Yakura demonstrated the various traditional dances while the crowd followed the moves enthusiastically. The circle surrounding the Yakura grew bigger as visitors young and old happily danced along till night fell. This year, Bon Odori in Malaysia is commemorating the 30th anniversary of the Look East policy with a special drum performance. Japanese drummers and various local drum troops beat out a powerful drum jamming session that heated up the entire stadium and brought the night to a crescendo.